Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to invoice for fixed price projects in Clerk. Creating invoices for fixed price projects is very easy with Clerk Invoices app. We just need to create new invoice and add fixed price lines, like this. After we have saved this invoice, we can share it with client by a secret public link, email it to client, or export it. And we can also track its status. Usually working with fixed price projects, we want to track if we are within the project budget or not. For this purpose we can use Clerk Budgets app. Let's see how it works. First, we need to create a new project budget. And let's name it like this. Then we need to take all our fixed price invoices and make them to add to the project budget. It's pretty easy. We just link the project budget in the Adds to mode and save the invoice. And if we go to the budget details, we will see all our fixed price invoices here. They add to the budget. This way they define the project budget. And to calculate how much of the budget is spent, we will create monthly invoices that spend the budget. These invoices will be built based on team hours logged in Jira. They will not be sent to our client. And we can even create a separate client in Clerk to store these invoices. For creating monthly invoices, we will use invoice templates and the Invoice Generator. You can watch a separate video that shows how Invoice Generator works, and here I will just show how it could be used for our use case. In the Clerk Invoices app under the Bentley mobile client, we will create a new invoice template that will spend our budget. Now we will open the Invoice Generator and generate the invoice from our template for the current month. And we will do this every month while we work on the project. And we can generate this invoice multiple times. If the invoice already exists, it will be just updated by the Invoice Generator. No duplicates will be created. This way we can check the daily progress. Now we can get back to the budget and check our progress. All connected invoices will be listed here. These monthly invoices are built based on Jira time. We have a breakdown by team roles here, and we have time reports attached. If we want to track separate budgets for different work types like design or development, we can create separate budgets and track them separately. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.